What size wheel spacers should I choose for the Maserati GT?
The right size of wheel spacers depends on how much wheel gap you have. For OEM Maserati Granturismo wheels and tires, front 25mm and rear 30mm wheel spacers provide the perfect flush stance. Aluminum quality Maserati Granturismo wheel spacers for aftermarket offset wheels come to priority. Because of good thermal conductivity, the aluminum Maserati wheel spacers will dissipate brake heat better. For the choice of bolt-on wheel spacers and slip-on wheel spacers, if the perfect thickness you need is around 3mm to 20mm, we'll recommend slip-on wheel spacers. Simply slide over your existing wheel hub, secured by a set of new longer wheel bolts. If you add high offset wheels or a wide body kit, then there is a pretty high chance you need bolt-on wheel spacers. Usually, bolt-on wheel spacers are available in 25mm up to 70mm. BONOSS offers non-normal thickness customized service. 3mm thin to 160mm thin are available. There are a large amount of options with our customized PCD and CB conversion wheel adapters. If you pursue extreme performance, then a set of forged aluminum Maserati wheel spacers is well worth the investment.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get this bonus wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.